Hey guys, welcome to the photo department and the fourth episode of Contact Sheet, which is a series I'm doing of a roll of film where I process and scan it and show you the entire roll of film without too much preamble or talking. This week we're going to be looking at the Fujifilm Superia PREMIUM 400. I dropped it. I got this film from Glass Key Photo, which is where I get all my film in San Francisco. They have practically everything. I was in there looking for something else and I saw this, asked them about it. I've never tried this film before, and so I decided to buy a couple rolls and shoot it, see how I liked it. According to my research online, the difference between the Superia Premium and the Superia Extra that we have in the States is that the Premium was developed specifically for Japanese skin tones and meant to have a better exposure latitude. So you're supposed to be able to overexpose it a whole lot more and it's going to hold together. I haven't tried overexposing it just yet, but I did shoot a whole roll and tried to get the exposure as bang on as possible so we can really see what this film looks like. So the Premium 400 is only available in Japan. It's actually meant for the Japanese market, so this has to be imported, which means it's a little more expensive than regular Superia Extra 400 or 200 or whatever else is out there currently. I think the only thing that's currently being made is 400. That being said, I really enjoyed shooting this film and I thought that it looked really great. It doesn't have that really distinctive Fuji green kind of highlight tone that you would be normally seeing in Superia 400 or 200, which I never really minded. I thought it added to the character. This is more of a cleaner film. It's very well balanced. I feel that the grain is a little less apparent and it just feels overall very clean. I also noticed that this film does have that trademark saturated Fuji red that I really like, something that I really enjoyed about the Fuji Natura 1600 and especially the Fuji Industrial 400, which is my favorite Fuji film. Those reds are very saturated and pronounced and they look beautiful, and this film does that same thing. I wouldn't be surprised if the Superia Premium 400 was a rebadged version of the Japanese market Industrial 400 because I feel that they look very similar. I assume that the Premium 400 had the fourth color layer that I had seen on other Superia film that they had since removed, but it seems like none of the current Fuji Superia films have that fourth color layer based on Fuji data sheets since 2007, I believe. I really enjoyed this film. I thought it worked really great with natural light, artificial light, and flash, actually, as you'll see. I did some photographs of some Heath ceramics mugs. You guys know I love Heath. And used my Godox Flashpoint 600 Pro mono light to get some really cool streaky light. And I think it handled that really well. I shot this roll with my F2 and my newish 24mm f2.8 lens. This is a really wide lens for me, but I think it looks really great. I'm trying to figure out some projects I can shoot with this lens coming up, and I'm going to do a review on this lens at some point. I processed this roll here at home with the Cinestill C41 chemistry and the TCS 1000. Then I scanned it on my Epson V550 as TIFFs, brought it into Lightroom to clean up any dust, and then I exported them as 100% JPEG. So you're not seeing any actual color correction or editing besides cleaning the images for dust. Okay, let's get to the images. Here is the Contact Sheet Episode 4, Fuji Superia Premium 400. thank you guys for watching. As always, you can follow me on Instagram at Christopher Sturm. I have been taking an Instagram break for my sanity, so I haven't been updating it much recently. I don't think I've updated my Instagram or looked at it for about 2 weeks now, and it's actually been really great. I implore you to try an Instagram break every so often. It really helps. Also, in case you're wondering what shirt I'm wearing, this is a shirt made by a friend of mine. His company is called Meaningless Ritual, and he has a ton of really cool shirt designs. If you're interested, you can check out the link in the description below. Big thank you to Glaskey Photo for always having cool film and helping me out. This film can be found at Glaskey Photo. It's in San Francisco. You can follow them online at Glaskey Photo on Instagram. They also have a Facebook page, and you can check out their website. If you have any questions or comments or want to talk to me about this film or other films, or make a suggestion, send me hate mail. You can do so in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all your support. See you later.